Big news from Indian cricket. Ravindra Jadeja has been named the vice captain of the Indian Test squad for the upcoming two Test series against West Indies. And yes, this is Jadeja's first time as the Test vice captain, though of course he has worn the armband before in ODIs and T20s. Now, leading the side will be Shubman Gill, who continues as the captain after stepping into the role in England earlier in the year. Missing though is Rishabh Pant, India's designated Test vice captain, who's still recovering from that unfortunate foot fracture during the England Test series. Pant is currently at the BCCI Centre of Excellence in Bengaluru. To cover the wicket-keeping duties, India have gone with Dhruv Jurel and N. Jagadisan, with Jurel likely to be the first choice behind the stumps. Now, there are several squad changes. Let's talk about them. From the expanded England squad, Abhimanyu Easwaran, Karun Nair, Akash Deep, Anshul Kamboj, Arshdeep Singh and Shardul Thakur are missing out. Pant, of course, is unavailable too, and Akash Deep is injured. But some of them will be playing in the Irani Trophy. Coming in are Akshar Patel, Devdutt Padikkal and N. Jagadisan, all of whom were drafted in the England series after Pant's injury. Now, one big talking point has been Karun Nair's exclusion. Despite scoring 205 runs in England, the selectors felt he didn't do enough. Chairman of selectors Ajit Agarkar explained, saying that we expected more from Karun. Padikkal offers a little bit more at this point. Devdutt Padikkal, remember, has a test experience from Australia and Dhansala, where he notched up a 50. Another name missing is Sarfaraz Khan, who might have been a like-for-like replacement for Karun Nair, but he's currently nursing an injury as well. Let's talk a little bit about the bowling unit. As for the balance, India are clearly banking on spin at home. The squad has Jadeja, Washington Sundar, Akshar Patel and Kuldeep Yadav as the spin attack, plus Nitish Kumar Reddy as the seam bowling all-rounder. The pace pack features Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj and Prasidh Krishna. Now, the big question is, is Bumrah fit for both tests? Ajit Agarkar says yes. After a 5-week break, post-England, Bumrah is ready and keen to play both matches, even though he's there at the Asia Cup. That's a massive news for India. Remember, this series is a part of the 2025 to 2027 World Test Championship cycle. India started with a 2-2 draw in England, earning 28 out of 60 available points. That puts them third on the WTC table with 46.67 percentage points behind Australia, who are on 100%. Sri Lanka is second on the league table. Where is West Indies? They are right at the bottom after a 3-0 loss. Australia is definitely on the top. So journey begins for Test vice captain Ravindra Jadeja, with Shubman Gill leading from the front and raring to go. The two-test series begins on the 2nd of October in Ahmedabad, with a test match in Delhi from the 10th of October.